Today we're going to talk about how to take long exposure photos strictly on your phone. So if you want to take pictures like this, and this, keep watching. So the first step is you're going to go to the App Store and find Lightroom in the App Store. It is free. You don't need to have a paid account or anything. You just need to download it. They do have paid options, but you don't need them for this one. And once you download it, you're going to open the app and it's going to look like this. Then you're going to go to the camera icon from right here, and then it's going to allow you to start taking pictures. The best thing about this Lightroom app that it shoots in RAW, so you can go back and post and fix the lighting if you want to, and you can totally do it all on your phone, and I'll show you how right now. So from here, to take long exposure photos, completely handheld without a tripod, which is insanely crazy for all the professional photographers out there. If you're watching this, you can literally take handheld pictures that are long exposures and they're going to be extremely in focus. So what you do is you go to auto and you go to long exposure. And it's going to show you several options right here, how many seconds you want your exposure to be, and the handheld stabilization, so you want that to be on, and the white balance right here, and then you have your focus and the reset button. You do also have an option. If you have the newer iPhones, you can choose between the lenses you have in the back of the iPhone, so you can see which lens you're using. Well, this is just a little different than a regular camera, because when you control the exposure in a regular camera, typically when you have 5-second exposures, the picture, you're going to have to compensate to make it not as bright. Here, Lightroom does the work for you, so you literally don't have to do it yourself. You just tell it that I want the exposure to be 5 seconds, and then you can play with it as much as you want. So once you have this, you just need to take the picture using only your hands, not a tripod, nothing. And then it's going to go to Lightroom servers, and then it's going to come back to you looking like this after a couple of minutes. As you can see, you can zoom in the buildings and you can see how clear and in focus they are. Even though we have light trails down there, that didn't stop the buildings from being super clear. Then you can edit them on your phone. You can even export them. If you want to edit them on your phone, you can apply a preset if you would like to. After that, you can just hit share, and then you can save it as the maximum size available. So that was it on how to take long exposures with strictly your iPhone, which is an amazing feature, especially for people that don't want to carry a tripod around. So if you want to see more of these tutorials, make sure you subscribe and like this video. See you next time.